name is Karina Mascarenas and welcome back to our channel Afford Homes. Today I'm here at Atelier Greens and I'm going to be reviewing their property. We are going to look at the project details as well as check out a sample flat. Let's go. Here is the amazing Atelier Greens located in Koregaon Park. This covers an area of 3.5 acres. It has 7 towers. Each tower has 2 basement floors, 1 ground floor and 15 habitable floors. They have 10,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor amenities each. The indoor amenities include a theatre room, a games room, a yoga room and much more. Whereas the outdoor amenities include a clubhouse, an amphitheatre, a swimming pool and so much more. They offer exclusive 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK apartments, and the best part is that the possession date is very near. It's 25 September RERA. The configuration, carpet area, number of parkings, pricing and the possession date are mentioned on the screen. Now let's have a look at the sample apartment. Welcome to the 2.5 BHK sample apartment. It has a carpet area of 1330 square feet. So here we have an entrance area where you can set up your shoe rack or you can also hang up a few nice paintings. And here is the humongous living room. There is so much space to walk in here. You can set up your living room just like they have done, or it's up to your own liking, but I quite like this setting. You can put up your TV here, your beautiful couch here. You can set up these beautiful lights as well. It's up to your own liking. The dimensions of the room are given on the screen. Look how much space there is. And we have a beautiful balcony attached to the living room. There is so much space here as well. You can set up your own little garden, or you can put up a coffee table, a few chairs and just hang out with your friends and family and have the perfect time together. Now, let's walk to our beautiful dining area. There is so much space here, you can easily accommodate 6 to 8 people. And you can decorate it just like this or however way you want it and enjoy perfect hot meals with your friends and family. You will get this apartment completely warm shell, so you will have the entire creative liberty to decorate your apartment however you want it. Now, let's move on to the kitchen. Welcome to the very spacious kitchen in this apartment. You get 2 parallel platforms and a lot of space to walk in. You can cut your vegetables here and easily cook them right here. And you get so much space to set up your own appliances here, as well as you have the entire freedom to choose your own cabinets, your own appliances, everything. Connected to that, we have the dry balcony, where you can set up your washing machine, your dryer, anything you want to. So we have a huge hallway over here that connects to the rest of the house. First up, we have this small multi-purpose room. So we have a lot of space in here for you to convert it into anything you like. You can turn it into an art room, you can turn it into a gaming room or even an office, or simply just a chill hangout spot for your friends and family. Also, you get a soft wall with your apartment. This is just for show. The dimensions of this room are given on the screen. Now let's move on to the common washroom. So here in the washroom we have CP and sanitary fittings from Jaguar, which gives you a premium feel in the bathroom. Now let's move on to the children's room. So here is a very spacious children's bedroom. You can set up a queen size bed right here and also set up a TV for their entertainment purposes. Along with that, there is a lot of space for a bedside coffee table, as well as you can set up a cute little cozy study area right over there. Also, there is so much space that you can fit in a huge wardrobe right over here. And we have 2 large windows right here. The bottom ones are fixed and the upper ones are movable for your children's safety. The dimensions of the room are given on the screen. Now, let's move on to the master bedroom. So here is the master bedroom, and as you can see, it is very grand. There is so much space to walk in here. You can set up a huge wardrobe, a huge bed. Also, you can set up these huge chairs and there's still so much space to walk. You can set up a table right here and also a TV for your entertainment purposes. And see, such a cozy little space you can set up for yourself here. Now we have a huge balcony connected to the room. And you have a huge balcony connected to your bedroom. You have the space given to set up your own garden and get fresh oxygen. You can also set up your cute coffee table here with a few chairs so that you can sit with your friends and family and enjoy the sunset and view. You also get a false ceiling with concealed lights. The dimensions of the balcony are given on the screen. Now let's continue. And now my favorite part, this huge walk-in closet. You have so much space in here to set up all your clothes, your bags, your jewelry, and also you can set up a mirror right in front and have a small vanity for yourself. Connected to this, we have a bathroom. The washroom here as well has CPN sanitary fittings from Jaguar, and you also get this glass divider. You can set up your bathroom somewhat like this and give it a very luxurious look and feel. If you want this place to be your future home, then call us at the given number or simply visit our website. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you at the next video. Bye-bye.